Guys, please make sure you stand till the end. One common mistake that people often make can cost you thousands of dollars in repairs, parts, diagnostics that you may actually not even need. Stay with us, we'll explain what we're talking about. Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Chevy Tahoe or Chevy Suburban, that generation here from year 2014 to year 2020. If you need to find where the rear window wiper fuse and relays are located, where you can find them, where you can guys buy cheap parts, tools, fuses, relays at a good price, quick shipping, that way you do not waste money and time. Why guys, it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays, or that will be covered absolutely free for your convenience. Please make sure to stay until the end. So before we start guys, let us tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them guys completely apart. We show you how to fix engines, transmissions, bodywork guys, engine codes, transmission codes, fuses, relays as well guys. Why we do all that? Because our mission in the shop is to save as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos. Guys, we have more than 15,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. And if you guys need to buy any parts, tools at a good price, quick shipping, that way do not waste money and time, we'll put the link in the description of the video below for your convenience. Please check it out. So guys, the rear window wiper fuse and relay, where you can expect to find it, we will demonstrate on the generation Chevy Tahoe, Chevy Suburban right here. Now we will be working guys in two different fuse boxes. Both Chevy Tahoe and Chevy Suburban are built on the same platform, so it should apply to both models. The main difference, the Suburban is longer. Now guys, quick advice. 9 out of 10 people do not know how many hidden fuse boxes are in it. That's okay, but we made a special video to help you out on our YouTube channel about fuse box location of Chevy Tahoe and Chevy Suburban. First, we need to open the hood. When you open the hood, here on the driver's side, you're going to find a fuse box. Right there, open that cover and you're going to find a fuse box with a layout like this one here. Before we continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. It is guys very important to test fuses and relays. On those fuses you cannot clearly see if they're burnt or not, especially you can see in the J-case fuses as well. And if you guys assume, okay, let's say you remove a fuse, you look at it and you assume guys that it's actually a good fuse, but it's actually a bad fuse, sometimes you cannot clearly see that. What can easily happen guys at that point, you can put the bad fuse in and you start replacing parts and tools that you don't need to, so you lose your time, you lose your money to fix a problem that doesn't exist, when all we had to do is test the fuse and replace it. We'll put a link to a special video that will teach you how to test fuses, how to check relays very easily as well guys. So check it out, it will be in the description of the video below. Here guys, we need to check 2 fuses, then we need to go to a different place, check a few more. Let's zoom in. The first fuse that you need to check, we're talking about fuse number 30, that one here. Check that one. Then you will guys need to check fuse 115, that's for the rear window wiper washer system. After that guys, we need to go to the trunk of your Chevy Tahoe or Chevy Suburban. Here you see on the side you have that cover, remove it, and underneath guys, okay, let me open. Here you're going to have that fuse box that looks just like this one. Here guys, we need to check specifically, okay, one more fuse for that, and the fuse that we're looking at, okay, now is fuse 97, excuse me, is fuse 9. So if you come in that row here, that's fuse 3, then you go to 5, 7, 9. So we're talking about this 20 amp fuse. That's the main fuse for the rear wiper that you will need to check. Now, relays, there are not serviceable relays. Now, I'm not quite sure, there is very limited information, but sometimes under the front fuse box you have integrated relays on the bottom side of it that are welded to the board, so practically you cannot guys replace them. If you have problems, you have to buy a new fuse box, but need to double check if it's there, but most likely you just have these fuses that you need to check. So guys, I want to show you now something. Okay, check this thing out. You have all different kinds of fuses. fuses, relays, circuit breakers, something that could be really hard to find. And if you're in the middle of nowhere, you don't have a replacement one, you may end up being stuck, guys, in the middle of nowhere, or they can be seriously overpriced. So what we do, we usually buy some spare ones, we put in the glove box for a peace of mind. We'll put the link in the description of the video below where you can get them at a good price, quick shipping. That way you do not waste money and time. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.